Inspace.in Intellectual Spiritual Asrama by C. Srinivasamurthy presents J. Krishnamurthy on Illusion, Maya. Sri Jiddu Krishnamurthy ji says, reality is also illusion. Sri Krishna ji says, that is, one has to find out what is reality and what is truth. Reality is also illusion. The reality of these mountains, the hills, the groves, the meadows, the river, that is reality. You can see it, and truth has nothing to do with the reality. We understand 1. We form images, it is a reality. 2. We take such images as a reality. Again, it is a reality. Sri Krishna ji says elsewhere, the truth is not in the distance, truth is near, truth is under every leaf. It is so covered up that we have to uncover it and see. To uncover is to discover what is false. And the moment you know what is false and that drops away, the truth is there. Truth is a living thing. It is perpetually in creation. This shows that Sri Krishna ji makes sometimes distinction between reality and truth. Reality is all that we see without awareness of what it actually is. Because we do not know what is, we take what appears as reality. We see image of a leaf, but not the truth under the image of the leaf. Knowing that this reality of image of the leaf is the only illusion is knowing the truth. Our reality is only appearance of truth. We do not know this. So we think that God is in the distance. But actually, the God is not far off. The truth is perpetually present in creation. But God is so covered up in reality that we have to uncover it and see. Gita says, the world is Maya, illusory power as the God. We have to uncover and see the God through the Maya. The moment you know what is false, Maya, and that drops away, the truth as God is there. The self of the Maya is the God. In Hinduism, rope and snake is very popular. In the dark, we see a rope and mistake it for a snake. That is an illusion. But then it is a reality for us. The Guru nearby, who knows the truth of the reality, brings a lamp. Then we see the false as the false. Sri Krishna ji says, no master will ever lift for you the veil which conceals wisdom. However, Hinduism tells Guru only teaches. Actually seeing is the work of the disciple. The disciple must have courage to inquire as taught by the Vedas Guru. It is interesting to note that Sri Krishna ji too used the rope and the snake in letters to a young friend 10. Sri Krishna ji observes, to see the rope as the rope needs no courage, but to mistake the rope for a snake and then to observe needs courage. One must doubt, ever search, see the false as the false. Vedas say, snake is the world, rope is the God. That is that. Please comment and discuss. Many thanks for listening.